Theivanai Ammal College for Women. Learn, live and lead.
Welcome you all for this session. Myself Dr.A.Sudhanraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Theivanai College for Women, Autonomous, Villupuram. Today we have seen the topic management concept. Introduction. Management is an important element in every organization. In the element that coordinates current organizational activities, plans for the future. Management is an important function for everyday activities. Because of that coordinates the current organizational activities for the planning for the future. The management is a very important things, very important activities that have plays a day-to-day life. The management adapts the organization to its environment and shapes the organization to make it suitable for the organization. Not only it is an element, it also the organization, it has shaped the organization for suitable to the environment. Definition by different authors. Management is the art of knowing what you want to do, then seeing that done in the best way and cheaper way, by F.W. Taylor. Next one, management is a process consisting of planning, organizing, actualizing and controlling, performed to determine and accomplish the objectives by use of people and resources. George R. Terry. Both the definition what explains means the act of getting work from the people. In the every organization they have to, as a management people on who act as a superior, they have get work from the people. The definition explains planning. Planning means plan in advance. Organizing. Organizing means coordination between human resource, material and people. Next one, actualizing. Actualizing means motivating and giving direction to the subordinate. Controlling. Controlling means to ensure about implementation of plan without any deviation. Thus the definition tells the management act as in achieving the objectives. Process of management. These are the process defined by the various authors. First one, planning, organizing, leading and controlling. Newman and Summer. Next one, planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating and controlling. Henry Floyd. P.O.S.D. C.O.R.B. that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting and budgeting. Luther Kulik. Next one is decision making, organizing, staffing, planning, controlling, communicating and directing. Warden Haynes and Joseph Messis. Next one is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. Kunz D. Don. Functions of management. Planning. It is a process of deciding business objectives and charting out the plans method for achieving the same. That includes determining of what to be done, how and where it should be done, who will be done and how the result to be evaluated. The planning is nothing but we have to charting something what we have to exactly do in the process. According to Allen, organizing refers to it is a structure which result from the identifying and grouping the work, defining the and delegating responsibility and authority and establishing something. It is a organizing is nothing but we have to frame a group and define the group what they have to do and delegating the responsibility. Based on the group we have to delegate the responsibility and authority and create some establishing relationship. Directing. Directing involves communication, leadership and motivation. Communication is the process of passing the information and understand from it one person to another. This communication is nothing but we have to transform the information from one people to another. Next is leadership. Leadership is the function whereby the person or manager guide and influence the work is subordinate. Leadership is nothing but the leader have to convey their message to the subordinate. based on their influence, the people who are doing the activities. Next one is motivation. Motivation is nothing but to motivate the employee to give the better to the base of the organization. Based on the motivation, the people who are working under the employer, they have to motivate from the financial as well as non-financial. Controlling. The controlling involves establishing standard performance and measuring the current performance and comparing it against the established standard, taking corrective action does not meet the standard. Control compels the event to conform the plan. The controlling is nothing but we have to frame the performance standard. Based on the performance standard, we have to measure the performance comparatively the established standard and also take the corrective action. If case there is a problem, we have to take some corrective action to complete the standard performance. Innovation and representation. The two important managerial function. One is innovation. Innovation means creating new ideas which may there result in the development of product or finding new user for the older one. It is necessary to grow in better. It is innovation means nothing but creating new ideas. Not only the ideas, we have to create new product or new way of doing some activities. That is innovation. Next one is representation. Represent is nothing but the manager has represented herself or himself for the organization. A manager must win the support effectively and different group, either or internal or external. Importance of management. Management have three major importance. One is management is the critical element in the critical growth of country. Next one is management is essential in all organized effort to be business activities or any other activities. Management is the dynamic, life-giving element in the every organization. These are the three important management functions in the day-to-day life. Thank you. Hope you all understand the management concept. Thank you for watching my video.